Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.2. Now problem number 1, subdivision number 3. Okay, let A be the set consisting of all the members of a family. The relation or is defined by A is related to B if A is not a sister of B. That is a statement given in this problem. The set is all the members of a family. The statement is not a sister. Okay. Okay, here is the question. Now I start with reflexive. Okay. First you have tried the statement followed by the relation. Statement and followed by the relation. Okay, statement towards a statement given A is not a sister of B. Write the statement here. A is not a sister of, already I told you, since I have taken A, here also I have to mention A only according to the definition of reflexive. These two must be same only. A is not a sister of A. Obviously, suppose I consider mother. I consider mother in a family. Mother is not a sister of the same mother. How it is possible? Even you can consider daughter of a family. Daughter is not a sister of the same daughter. It is absurd only. Therefore, the given statement is true. The given statement A is not a sister of B. So this statement is true. That means you have to write A is related to B. Don't think that the relation is not a family relation. That relation is represented by the letter or. Remember, this or is not related with the family members. In general, or refers relation. Okay. Therefore, or is reflexive. Now we can go for the second part, symmetric. I take case number 1. Straight away take members of the family for our reference. That will be easy for you. Father, mother, son and daughter. Even in exam you have tried this one. F refers father, mother, son, and this one represents daughter. Okay. Now you start with statement. Relation. I take, we have to consider 2 of the family members for symmetric. For reflexive, you have to consider only 1 family member. For symmetric, 2. For transitive, you have to consider 3 family members. 1, 2, 3. Remember, here you have to take 2 family members. I take F and M. F and M. F or M. Now you write that statement. father is not a sister of mother. Why I am writing not a sister? Because the given statement is not a sister. Each and every time I have to check that one. So you write F is not a sister of M. That means father is not a sister of M. The given statement is true. Therefore, we have mentioned here or. Now, again write the statement, but the statement in reverse order. Okay, we can verify. M first, F at the last. M and F. Mother is a sister of father, not a sister of father. Obviously, not a sister of father. Mother is not a sister of father. Once again, the given statement is satisfied. So, what I have tried at the last? Relation. Whenever the statement is satisfied, you put or only. M is related with F. This or refers not a sister, which implies here we start with F or M, here ends with M or F. Symmetry or is symmetry. Symmetric. Now I can go for case 2. Case 2. Remember, here you have to consider always two elements from a set. So two members of the family. Here I consider S and D for this time. S and D relation. S or D. S or D. Now you can write the statement. Son is not a sister of daughter. Son is not a sister of daughter. S is not a sister of daughter. Yes, obviously this statement is correct only. This is a given one, not a sister. Absolutely correct. Now once again you have to write the statement, but in reverse order. That means D comes first, S at the last. We can verify. D daughter is sister of S or not a sister of S? Definitely is a sister only. Sister of S. D is a sister of S. Correct only, no? Daughter is a sister of son. Therefore, write the relation. Whenever not comes, you have to put or. This is the given statement, not a sister. This is against the statement. This is not the statement. Statement is not a sister for this problem. You are getting a sister. Therefore, since it is against the given statement, you have to put D or strike out that or, yes, which implies or is not symmetric. So in first case we proved or is symmetric. In second case we proved or is not symmetric. What is the final result? If it is possible to prove or is not symmetric in any one of the cases, the final result is not symmetric only. Remember, again I tell you, if it is possible to prove not symmetric in any one of the cases, at least one case, If we prove that one, final result is not symmetric only. Therefore, you have to write the result from case 1 and case 2. We have proved that R is not symmetric. Now we can go for the final one. It's a transitive. Okay. Here also we can go for case 1 and case 2. The same procedure what we did in that symmetric, the same procedure to be followed even in transitive. If it is possible to prove not transitive in any one of the cases, the final result is not transitive only. Remember. Okay. I consider 3 members: father, mother and son. F, M and S. Relation, statement, again statement, relation. Right? First I consider F and M. F or M, and here ends with M, no, then have to start with the M. M or S. F or M, according to the given statement, F is not a sister of M. F is not a sister of M, and mother is not a sister of son. Correct only. M is not a sister of son. Now here starts with M, ends with S. F and S. F, S. We have to write F and S. Statement please. F is not a sister of S. Correct only, no? Father is not a sister of son. This is a given statement. It is satisfied. Therefore, you write F or S. F or S. So, which implies R is transitive. R is transitive. Now, case 2. Here also have to consider 3 family members. I take daughter, mother and son. That is D, M, S. Okay. Relation, statement, again write that statement, finally relation. This is the order. First I take D and M. D or M and S. M or S. Now you can write the statement. Here ends with M, here starts with M, right? D or M means daughter is not a sister of M. Correct only. Daughter is not a sister of mother. And M or S means mother is not a sister of S. That is also correct. Now here starting one is D and the ending one is S. So you have to write D and S. You have to compare D and S. D is the sister of S or not a sister of S? Absolutely is a sister only. D is a sister of S. D refers daughter. Daughter is a sister of son for the parents, correct? So therefore, this is the against the statement or the statement only. This is against the statement. Actually, the statement is not a sister, but you are getting a sister. Therefore, you have to mention D or you have to strike out that one. Yes, D is not related with yes. Here we have proved or is not transitive. Already I told you, if we prove or is not transitive in any one of the cases, the final result is not transitive only. In first case we have proved or is transitive. In first case we have proved or is transitive. In second case we have proved or is not transitive. The conclusion, therefore, from case 1 and case 2 or is not transitive. That's all. So question number 1, third subdivision is completed. I'll be teaching the next subdivision in the next video. Thank you, children.